Hello YouTube. Today I'm gonna show you this press, the II PTH800. It's an hydraulic press vise. It has some use, but there's still a lot of work that we can perform with this tool. Let me show you the first. What are the dimensions? So it's about 8-inch. The jaws long. We have 2-inch dip with the V slot, the original V slot right here. Capacity of the jaw is with these jaws here is about 7.5 inch. And it's pretty smooth, And again, with one finger I can close it. Doesn't have any, major wear in the gears. The close is really smooth. Some surface rust though. It's normal in this kind of tools. And here, going to the place where the feet is smooth. Now you just open it. Release. The tool comes with this Craftsman socket and a ratchet. It's a nice ratchet. It's a waldon ratchet. Can't find it anymore. It's a good ratchet. Doesn't get rust. Yes, are easy, very sturdy. Here's the tool for sale today. I want to show you a little closer. Let me see if I can take this camera off. Okay. The condition of the jaws right here, still shiny and smooth. Almost no wear in the jaws. Let me see what we got here. Very shiny, smooth. Wow, the top has some mess up that someone did. And here's the plate. PTH800. 3. I don't even know what number is here. I think it's a 0339. And this is gear, the rod here, inside doesn't have. I mean, yeah, try to flip it. So, oh, 1 second. Okay. See, inside is pretty clean. No, race is original and also very smooth. And here's the thing of this. I try to use this this pump to, you know, use the hydraulic part of this, but it's leaking, as you can see here. It does leak, so I don't think that's part of my. I mean, if you want to use it as hydraulic, you gotta put that money from your pocket, you know, because it's leaking, and I can't guarantee any good working condition with the hydraulic part of this. But the rest is very good. You know? It's a good, yeah, it's a good bike. So I'll put it back in place. All right. And I hope you like it. If you like it, it's going to for sale today or tomorrow. Okay. Thank you for looking.